What's up? This your boy No Chill Chad checking in. I got a little short video for you guys today, and we're gonna be looking at something for one of my newest sponsorship partnerships with a great company. Check this out. We're gonna be checking out these wonderful all-season, all-weather mats from theyve liners. As you can see, man, it comes in a well-packaged box. Handle. That's how you know it's a quality product, right? You do your unboxing, so y'all can kind of see everything that comes in it. Great packaging. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. So I'm just gonna give y'all my first impressions. Like I say, packaging is A1. Alright. So this is a 4-piece set. And definitely the quality is there, guys. Has the connectors. Loving it. Great thickness. It's not too heavy or anything like that. They're deep, so they kind of channel any water, any dirt. The heat helps with the cold. Everything is laser made. The designs on these are pretty much made for your truck or your vehicle. So every vehicle is going to have a different design. They kind of make it to flow with the design of your vehicle itself. Let's see what comes in it. A couple of instructions here. Please don't worry if your mats get folded up to do the packaging. Give it some time to just lay out. I mean, it has been in the box. It's been hot, so we're gonna put one of these in here. All right, so these guys, they use this TPE rubber. And like I said, it helps with just the heat, the cold, anything like that, guys. The laser form fitting. I mean, it's definitely some good quality. I've seen some that just wasn't hitting like this. There's some other providers, you know, some other major brands that use the TPO, but they also have a TPE option, but it's $100 more plus to get this type of quality from the other major brands. You know, WeatherTech is one of those big brands, but the quality that you get right here, the price point, you definitely can't beat. So I'm gonna just go and pop one of these in the truck real quick, just so you can kind of just see how it fits. All right, we're going to just pop one of these so y'all can just see how easy it goes in. Snap, crackle, pop. Easy, easy. Definitely looks good. Fits around the corners. I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install those ones on the other side. I'm gonna install the ones from the back. That's all I need. So anytime I'm going off-road, it's raining outside, these all-weather mats, good, man. If you got any questions, any concerns, hit me up, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out theyve liners. Tell them I sent you. You also can check out my code. It's going to be in the comment section here. You can save 20% off by ordering yours. And that's it, man. Great mats, great company. Thank y'all for checking me out, man. It's your boy No Chill Chat checking out.